back to my channel. I really hope you guys are doing great, and if you're watching me for the first time, hi, my name is Arpita and I'm a beauty content creator, and in today's video we are going to review a very exciting product which is from Swiss Beauty, and it is their 2-in-1 eyebrow and gel liner. So if you want to know how the product is and how that works, then keep on watching this video till the end. And if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss any update. And also, if you haven't followed me on my Instagram, please go ahead and follow me. My Instagram link is in the description box and handle is somewhere on the screen. You will find it out. So without talking further, let's just jump right into the video. So as you can see, my brows are quite undone and I haven't done anything on my eyes yet. So now it's the perfect time to use the product. So this is how the product looks from the outside. This is the outer packaging, and it says the Swiss Beauty eyebrow and eyeliner gel, which is 2-in-1, and the product is inside this container. Also, you will get the pricing, how to use the product, every other detail on the outer packaging of the product. And once you will open the container, you will see the eyebrow gel powder and also one applicator by which you will be able to apply the product. So once you open the container, you will be able to see the brow powder right in front of you, and there's also a small mirror which will help you if you're going out or if you're not carrying a mirror with you. It will help you to apply the product, and then when you will rotate the upper part of the product, you will actually reach to the gel part, which will help you to use as a liner. So the powder is very smooth and easily blendable. The best part is it doesn't get stuck at one place, and it helps with creating a very simple and beautiful brows. So after applying the brow powder, it's quite lightweight and I don't have to use much of a product to get to my brows. And honestly guys, I am a very light brow person. I don't do a very dramatic brow, so it is just what I need. Now we will apply the liner and let's see how that works. The formula is very smooth and non-flaking, and it is easily blendable, and this can stay up to 24 hours, and it is totally smudge proof. So after applying the liner, it is amazing because it is super intense. It is very smooth in texture. It is very easily usable, and also it just takes 15 to 30 seconds to get dried up, so you don't have to think about the mess up part. And also, if you are someone who have very thin and light eyebrows and want a big defined brows, then you can use the gel liner also as a brow product. Overall, this is a must-buy product for me, and if you want to get your hands on this product, then don't forget to check out the description box for the link. And that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you do, then please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for more such contents like this. And also, if you still haven't followed me on my Instagram, please go ahead and follow me. My Instagram link is in the description box and handle is somewhere on the screen. You will find it out. So that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys on the next one.